Step 1. Put windshield retain clip on the windshield and hammered it with a rubber hammer. Step 2. 2 people hold the glass and set the retain clip on the glass support. Step 3. After adjusting the holes, put 2 pieces of glass pads in the middle of the glass and the support screw holes. Then, tightening with 2 pieces of MA multiply 50 screws. Step 1. Tighten the steering column on frame with 2 pieces of MA multiply 20 screw. Step 2. To insert universal jump together with rock steering and lock with 1 piece of MA multiply 35 screw. Step 3. Before installing steering column chin cover, let combination switches harness come from chin covers opening firstly, and then lock with 3 pieces of M5 multiply 16 screws. Step 1. Remove 4 screws of combination switch and insert the harness plug to combination switch from the opening. Step 2. Install the combination on the switch on the steering column with 2 stainless steel locking plates. Adjust installation distance. Then tighten the screws. Step 3. Put on chin cover. Step 4. Put wire cover in right position. Step 5. Install steering wheel. When install the steering wheel, the front wheel need to be in a positive position. 2 people hold the seat back. Put U-shaped groove of seat back on the rear support. Pay attention on screw holes and fix with 4 pieces of M6 multiply 60 screws.